How are we doing? Back to quick combos. This is combo number 3 and we are just smushing together combos 1 and 2. It's that simple, okay? If you missed them, combination 1 was front kick, land forwards, reverse punch. Combination 2 was a round kick, preferably front leg, and then rear hand punch. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to put the 2 kicks together, front kick then round kick, and then we'll put the punch on the end. And then I'll show you a couple of little details to do with footwork. I've still got my dogs outside today, which does mean there might be tennis balls rolling around, because one of my dogs really likes playing fetch. That one, if you saw him, you probably saw a tail just going past the camera. Okay, go on. Stupid dog. Okay, so we do the front kick first, we do the round kick second, and then we reverse punch on the end. Easy peasy. Okay, now one of the things I want you to think about is this. Depending on how you are using this will depend on what footwork you go for. If I'm doing freestyle combinations, I go from point A to point B, I'm doing a series of combinations in the air. Brilliant, okay, but you will probably go front kick and land forwards, and then opposite leg, round kick and land forwards. Then potentially just punch on the end. Okay? Because doing freestyles A to B means you want to cover distance. Okay? If you're working on a bag, or if you're thinking of a sparring connotation, you're going to be slightly more potentially on the spot with your footwork, because you want to move around, you want to get that front kick in, you're going to shuffle out, readjust, because it will depend on where your opponent is. Okay? So depending on what sort of drill you're doing, or what exercise you're doing, or whether it's freestyle or sparring or inlines or whatever, will change how your footwork works for this drill. But the combination remains the same. It is a front kick, then it is a round kick, and then it is a reverse punch. Easy peasy. Okay, so front kick first, then my round kick, then the backhand punch. Easy peasy combination, and I do want to try and go one leg, other leg for this. Okay, and then I'll show you a little detail in a moment. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Easy peasy. 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, easy stuff. Okay, now the detail I want to show you is you could do the same leg twice, but it will depend on what the connotation is of the drill you're doing, or where your opponent is. But you can go kicking down and then lean back away for that round kick. Okay, that's quite an interesting piece of footwork, especially if your opponent, again if it's sparring, is not expecting it. Yeah, their guard will drop for that front kick, they've got to come down to it. If they immediately pick it back up again, yeah, so keep an eye on what their hands do. If they go block first, very, very quickly it's easy to sneak the round kick under their rising elbow. They might be expecting something to come high, okay, to be the next thing. So they might guard down and then pick up. If that's the case, it's really easy to pop that foot off the floor and sneak in that body kick. Okay? Then you can punch on the end. If you're very flexible and you can see, or you see the guard is holding low, we can think about body, head, and then you can add that punch on the end if you need it. Okay, so that would be the 3-move one: front kick, round kick, and then your reverse punch. Again, I'm drilling that reverse punch off the backhand. Okay, I want it here. Okay, shrug behind it, brilliant. Okay, and remember we're going to keep that front hand up as well, stuck to our head, so we've got a partial guard. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, nice and easy. I'm going to kick this ball for the dog because he's going to chase it. Ready, 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 go. Up the garden in like a cloud of dust. Brilliant. Give me that ball. Okay, and then we'll move on to combo number 4 soon. Have fun.